integrated data center park in Visakhapatnam. This is one project which would transform the way Visakhapatnam would be looking going forward. The first thing what this data center would be doing is bringing a submarine cable from Singapore. And that is made possible by Adani Group, and my sincere thanks for that. With this submarine cable coming from Singapore, with a 300 megawatt data center park coming up in Visakhapatnam, the connectivity, the internet usage, the speed at which data is downloaded would drastically improve, and that would be one major boost for Visakhapatnam, which was so far perceived to be a Tier 2 city. With this data center coming in, and with this kind of facility also made available, this would transform into the league of Tier 1 city. With this 300 megawatt data center coming up in Visakhapatnam, it would provide employment opportunities to approximately 39,000 people with an investment outlay of 21,800 crores coming up in Vizag. And this is more significant considering the fact that this data center is totally green. The entire power requirement for this is coming from renewable sources. So that would be one major, I would rather see a game changer in the way the data centers are conceived. We've allotted 190 acres of land, and this proposed establishment wherein the data center park would be coming up along with the IT business park, skill development facility, and also recreation centers. This would ensure that not only is this a data center, but also a business park which could actually capitalize on this cloud services and the speed of internet connectivity and the download speeds, all this translating into IT activity that is through the business parks. And all this would definitely do a lot of good to IT in Visakhapatnam, and also through the submarine cable, the data center coming up in Visakhapatnam. My sincere thanks to Adani Group for this initiative, and I'm pretty sure that this 300 megawatt of data center park coming up in Visakhapatnam is also the biggest in the country which is coming up here. A few words in Telugu so that the message could be communicated to the masses. ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే భూమి పూజ చేస్తూ ఉన్నామో అదానీ గ్రూప్ వాళ్ళ చేత 300 మెగావాట్ల డేటా సెంటర్ను ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేసే కార్యక్రమం ఇది. రాబోయే రోజుల్లో విశాఖపట్నంని Tier 2 సిటీ కాకుండా Tier 1 సిటీ కింద మార్చే ఒక గొప్ప ప్రక్రియలో అడుగు పడుతుంది. కారణం ఏమిటి అనంటే ఇక్కడ డేటా సెంటర్ రావడం వల్ల అందులో 300 మెగావాట్ల డేటా సెంటర్, దేశంలో బహుశా ఇంత పెద్ద డేటా సెంటర్ ఎక్కడా లేదేమో. ఈ స్థాయిలో ఇంత పెద్ద కెపాసిటీతో డేటా సెంటర్ ఇక్కడ రావడం వల్ల ఏకంగా సింగపూర్ నుంచి సబ్మెరైన్ కేబుల్ కూడా విశాఖపట్నంకు తీసుకొచ్చే ఒక గొప్ప కార్యక్రమం కూడా జరుగుతూ ఉంది. ఇందులో భాగంగా ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ స్థాయిలో సబ్మెరైన్ కేబుల్ రావడము, ఇక్కడ డేటా సెంటర్ కూడా విశాఖపట్నంలో ఏర్పాటు చేయడము, ఈ రెండు జరగడం